Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and are you ready for another Diamond Art Club first look? Because I am, and if you do not watch my lives, you probably don't know the ironicness about me receiving this kit. OMG. Every time I go to work, there is this bird just flapping around, attacking my car, all the things. And I show the images and the pictures and the videos of this. And then Diamond Art Club sends me this. That is right. This is a first look of Gobbler by Claudia McKinney. I was like, I've got to have this. This turkey is absolutely just precious. It is a 25 by 22 inch painting and it is square. You'll see that based on the blue box and the square gem that is right here. This box is fabulous. I love being able to see what is inside my box. I also love to be able to see right here if I store them up and down or lay them horizontal right here. I don't have to use my sticker anymore for the end of the box. It is already on there. So I'm going to switch the camera around. We're going to unbox this and see what is gobbling inside here for our first look. Okay, everyone. We have opened this amazing designer box and we're going to see what's inside. I can't wait to show you. It comes with this hard box, which I actually love. It's kind of like an artist tube that protects your canvas. You also have this amazing toolkit. Okay, so inside your toolkit, you're going to get the tray, a tray that's upgraded from most other companies. It's got a lid, it's got a removable stopper, the lid slides. It also is stackable. So as you get more DACs, you will have a collection of trays that you can use. Inside, you're going to have your clear putty wax, your heart wax, and your 7 placer all inside your little tray kit. You're also going to get baggies and you're going to get their infamous pen that is pre-filled, single placer. However, if you want, you can use your 3 placer on this end with the wax, or you can take the 3 placer off and put whatever metal tip you want in here and keep on dabbing and dotting and drilling, whatever you call it, where you're from. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. We've got the painting and we have the thank you for your purchase. Inside of here, you're going to find, I love that they put the cards in here now. I know it's a little extra work, but it's absolutely beautiful. This one is the Treasure Quest card. It is bronze. I don't care what color it is because I love collecting these. And as you collect them, you can turn them in for points. Here is the beautiful, cute little image. It's a sticker. You also have this sticker you can put in your journal and your start and end date. And then inside, this has 55 colors, but you've got all your stickers that you can put on your baggies or your plastic storage or your bottles, whatever you use. Now, out of the 55 right here, we have 1 AB, 2 ABs, 3 ABs, and it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3 dust. Okay. Also, let's see, a bunch of really pretty fall colors. Absolutely gorgeous. And if it's your first time with DAC, there is a percentage off inside. Let me stick the card back in here. Otherwise, I'm going to lose it. And I don't want to lose it. Because once you lose it, you can't get it back unless you like ask to buy it from somebody. Oh dear. Okay, so we are going to open this. Right here, this is their patented canvas. I'm having issues tonight. Issues, but that's all right. You guys will give me grace, right? So here's their patented canvas. That double lint, and then let's open it. As we open it, we are going to see a couple things. First thing we're going to see is the beautiful print here, very clear. You can see the symbols extremely clear, but then you see this. What is this? This perforated line is to show you where you can rip this apart, and they're 4x4 plastic squares. So as you do the painting, you can take the squares off and keep the rest of your painting fresh. Look at these gorgeous reds and oranges, and I love this guy. I'm gonna have to do this Thanksgiving. OMG, absolutely gorgeous. I need to name him. Tell me down below, what should I name him? I have to name him. I have turkeys all the time flooding the campus of where I work. I cannot believe I have this painting as a first look. I fell over. Fell over. So help me name him, and if you're a member, you get double dibs on the name. And like I said, it is a square. Here are your drills. It does have the code on the front, the UPC, and the word Gobbler. So if you do separate your drills from your canvas to help with storage, you can reunite them. Reunited. It feels so good. All right, so sorry. I'll stop singing. Down here in the bottom left, you have your thumbnail as well as that little UPC code, and then who it's by. This is Claudia McKinney. And then you have, it's a 25 by 22 inch. It also has the serged edges so that if your canvas does decide to be naughty and unravel, you've got that. It also has all the social medias down below, and it has your lifetime drill warranty. Absolutely. Oh, so precious. He's so precious. The rendering on this is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. I love the hand charting that they do. So yes, I'm going to pause real quick so I can undo this and avoid the crinkles. Okay, we're back. This is the most beautiful this drill set will ever be, because as soon as we unwrap it, it's never going to get back to this beauty. Oh, I was going to have to take a master's course. Okay, so Diamond Art Club. Oh my gosh, there's only one bag of 310s. They package it based on the weight that's in here. So that's why a lot of times, or all the time, the drills are going to go from heaviest to lightest in the package. Oh, $9.19. I don't see that a lot. That's so cool. 2 bags of that. $7.22, $9.20, 2 bags of $9.20, $8.14. Love that color. Here's our first blue, $5.19. We've got 2 bags of the $4.98. And here's our first fairy dust in orange. Where is this guy? Okay, this is the plus sign. Oh my gosh, I can't even point out where it is because it is everywhere. Everywhere. I mean, all the trees have it, and the pumpkin has it. Everywhere. You get 2 full bags of that orange 720 fairy dust. Okay, 2 bags of the $8.98, $38.27. This is such a rich plum color. This is the color that we're going to do our family photos in. Stay tuned. If you're a member, you'll get to see them. All right, only 1 bag of the 939s, and we have the 815. 815 and 814, it's like they're like almost identical siblings. Okay, here's these 2 bags. Oh, you have another fairy dust, 721. That is also everywhere. So it looks like with the hand charting, you've got the fairy dust. Let me get you guys a little bit closer here. Whee! Okay, so here we go. So this right here, I'll use my scissors. This right here is a fairy dust, and then the plus is a fairy dust as well. So it looks like with the hand charting, they did like this ombre of fairy dust. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so, so much. All right, so we're going to come back out. Come back out. Yes, this is my way, my professional video photography. All right, I'm going to pause you. Okay. I did not want to make you guys go crazy. So that is where that fairy dust is, and it is everywhere. So everywhere the other one was, your lamb was sure to go. It's also in the pumpkins. It's down here in the leaves. It's here in the leaves. It's up in the trees of the leaves. It's everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, we've got another 815. Getting into our blues. Okay, here's the AB. See how it's like a sequence versus the fairy dust? Let's line them up. Okay, so here's your fairy dust. It's like a mica powder. And then here's your sequence, which is an AB. See the difference there? All right, so 3861, that's the W's. Okay, so that's down here. This area right here and here. It looks like it's over here. Let me bring you out just a little bit more so you can see what I see. It is all in his chest as well. And it's just scattered about a little bit here in the browns, but it looks like most of it's in his chest and in the top of the pumpkins. And then up here on his face, just to give it a little bling. You've got 322, 3830. 747, 3761, and we're just gonna keep chugging along, singing a song. Okay, side by side. You're getting a lot of music. Slap Happy Jen here. Here's another mica powder. That also is in the pumpkin right here and here. It's also in the sky leaves a little bit over here, through here. You got a little bit of everything. All right, we're just going to keep going. And then, of course, here's your white. Remember back in the day where the AB was 141? Yeah, now they're just calling it out. It's 50K to 100. I'm no longer disguised. And that's in the sky clouds area and a little bit in his cheeks and in his eyes. All right. I think we're down to our last train. They call this a train. Chugga, 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 which I put in my book. There's different things they call things that are packaged. All right, here's another AB. This one is also mostly here in his chest and here in his feathers and his chin. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. All right, where are our... Okay, yep, that was it. There's a little bit of green here, kind of a brown green. All right, so he is absolutely adorable, guys. The rendering's fantastic. It is poured glue, and it's got 55 colors. So tell me, what should I call him, and what painting are you doing for this fall Thanksgiving time period? So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.